What's up guys, welcome back to Breezy's Puffs. So today I'm doing yet another wig review from Gorgius. I am going to be doing a review of the Yaki Straight True Scalp Bang Wig. So not only does this wig have a beautiful Yaki texture, but it has something called a rectangular scalp up at the top with pre-bleached knots, and it has Swiss lace, so it's gonna look really natural on my head. So I'm just gonna plop this on my head, and at first it was giving a little Party City, but once I brushed it out, like, it's really giving silk press, honestly. Like silk press on like type 3 hair for sure. So I decided that I wanted to flat iron the bangs, so I'm gonna do that now. But this is what she looks like straight out of the bag, y'all, straight out of the box. And of course, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron her, and I'm actually gonna flip the ends outwards because I seen somebody do that, so you guys will see me do that shortly. So now I am just flat ironing the bangs inwards to kind of give it a more, like, you know, bouncy look, if that makes sense, because we are going for retro Barbie. So it looks a little crazy right now, but once I brush it out, it's gonna look cute, I promise. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron and flip the ends outwards to give it that cute Barbie look, and you guys are gonna see what that looks like when I'm done. But y'all, this whole process probably took me like 5 minutes. Like, this is a really easy throw on and go wig because it has a bang. You're not having to worry about, you know, your lace up in the front. If your lace is lifting, adding glue, you literally don't have to do any of that to get this natural of a look. And my braids underneath aren't the flattest, but if they were even more flat, then it would more so fit my head a little bit better. So just imagine what that would look like, y'all. It would look super natural, especially with that Swiss lace up at the top. But this is just an easy, like, even an everyday wig if that's something you wanted to do. It's a classic bob look for the summer vacation, and with that lace up at the top, it's definitely more breathable and comfortable to wear than like a normal bob wig. So let's get into this look. This hair is 100% human hair, 180% density, and it has top quality HD lace. Let's get into this Yaki Straight texture, guys. Look at how like flowy and silky it looks. At first I wasn't sure how much I would like this texture on me, but I am absolutely loving it. Like, look at that scalp. So now I'm gonna style it a few different ways. You can wear it in a ponytail, which is super cute, and now I'm gonna do this like half up, like claw clip type look, which I absolutely fell in love with. Like, look at how cute that is. Super retro, and it's giving, y'all. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to read the details down below on how you can save some cash on this wig. Make sure to subscribe and follow me. I'll catch you guys in the next video.